Dr. Mohammed Yunus Life Story. Mohammed Yunus, born 28th June 1940, is a Bangladeshi economist, entrepreneur, statesman, and civil society leader who has been serving as the chief advisor of the interim government of Bangladesh since 8 August 2024. Yunus pioneered the modern concept of microcredit and microfinance, for which he was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2006 as the first Bangladeshi. He is the founder of Grameen Bank. Born in Hathazari, Chittagong, Yunus passed his matriculation and intermediate examinations from Chittagong Collegiate School and Chittagong College, respectively. He completed his BA from University of Dhaka and joined as a lecturer in Chittagong College. He obtained his PhD in economics from Vanderbilt University in West Germany. After the devastating famine of 1974, Yunus started to work on poverty elevation in Bangladesh. He began experimenting with microfinance in the late 1970s. In 1983, the Grameen Bank was established. The success of the Grameen microfinance model inspired similar efforts in about 100 developing countries, and even in developed countries, including the United States. Yunus was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2006 for founding the Grameen Bank and pioneering the concepts of microcredit and microfinance. Yunus has received several other national and international honors, including the United States Presidential Medal of Freedom in 2009 and the Congressional Gold Medal in 2010. In 2012, Yunus became Chancellor of Glasgow Caledonian University in Scotland, a position he held until 2018. Previously, he was a professor of economics at Chittagong University in Bangladesh. He published several books related to his finance work. He is a founding board member of Grameen America and Grameen Foundation, which support microcredit. Yunus also served on the board of directors of the United Nations Foundation, a public charity to support UN causes, from 1998 to 2021. In 2022, he partnered with Global Esports Federation as part of the Esports for Development E4D movement to support the development of esports. Following the overthrow of Sheikh Hasina, President Mohammed Shahabuddin gave Yunus a mandate to form an interim government, acceding to calls from student leaders for his appointment. His government has appointed a Constitutional Reform Commission to draft a revision to the Constitution of Bangladesh and has pledged the convocation of a Constituent Assembly. His name was listed in the 500 Most Influential Muslims in 2024. In 2025, he was named one of Time magazine's 100 Most Influential People in the World. The third of 9 children, Mohammed Yunus, was born on 28 June 1940 to a Bengali Muslim family of Saudagars in the village of Batua, by the Kaptai Road at Hathazari, in the Chittagong district of Bengal Presidency, now in Bangladesh. His father was Haji Muhammad Dullah Mia Sudagar, a jeweler, and his mother was Sufia Khatun. His early childhood was spent in the village. In 1944, his family moved to the city of Chittagong, and he moved from his village school to Lama Bazar Primary School. By 1949, his mother was afflicted with psychological illness. Later, he passed the matriculation examination from Chittagong Collegiate School, ranking 16th out of 39,000 students in East Pakistan. During his school years, he was an active Boy Scout and traveled to West Pakistan and India in 1952, and to Canada in 1955 to attend jamborees. Later, while Yunus was studying at Chittagong College, he became active in cultural activities and won awards for drama. In 1957, he enrolled in the Department of Economics at Dhaka University and completed his BA in 1960 and MA in 1961. After graduation, Yunus visiting Chittagong Collegiate School in 2003. After his graduation, Yunus joined the Bureau of Economics at Dhaka University as a research assistant to economists Nurul Islam and Rehman Sobhan. Later, he was appointed lecturer in economics in Chittagong College in 1961. 19. During that time, he also set up a profitable packaging factory on the side. 18. In 1965, he received a Fulbright scholarship to study in the United States. He obtained his PhD in economics from Vanderbilt University through their graduate program in economic development in 1969. From 1969 to 1972, Yunus was an assistant professor of economics at Middle Tennessee State University in Murfreesboro. During the Bangladesh Liberation War in 1971, Yunus founded a citizens' committee and ran the Bangladesh Information Center with other Bangladeshis in the United States to raise support for liberation. He also published the Bangladesh newsletter from his home in Nashville. After the war, he returned to Bangladesh and was appointed to the government's Planning Commission headed by Nurul Islam. However, he found the job boring and resigned to join Chittagong University as head of the economics department.